Now, if you have watched my previous video, then you know that about a few months ago, I had a terrible back pain. So the joint between the shoulder and the spine, that area was so much painful. And yeah, I couldn't see on my desk at all. Not even for a 3 second. Yeah, that was painful. That was really painful. So I spent time on my bed, laying on my bed, and yeah, with my family and catching up with sleep and eating. That's what I did. Also, another problem on that time was I had many assignments to do for my university. Yeah, so it wasn't a good time at all. And I thought maybe it's because of my chair. So I replaced my chair with two different chairs, gaming chair and an ergonomic chair, but that didn't solve the problem at all. The problem was still there and got even worse. So at that time, I understand that it's not the chair the main problem, but it's my posture. Because I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro flat on my desk, so that's why I have to keep my head inclined like that. And that was the main cause of problem here. Then what I did, I purchased a monitor. So I have a 27-inch Philips monitor, and that is literally very large for me. I think I should have gone for 24-inch monitor at this point, but yeah, just not regret later on. That's why I have just gone for 27-inch monitor. And I strongly think that is the best decision I have ever made. Not only it has relieved my back pain, but it has also increased my productivity. So right now I can fit three windows on my on my monitor, and I can do multitasking, so which is a great thing. I can do 3 things at the same time if I want to. Say for instance, when I do web design, web development, what I can have is I can have 2 tabs right next to each other. In one, I'm writing my code. In the other one, I'm previewing my code, so in a browser tab. Or also when I'm doing video editing, I can have a much larger timeline compared to before when I used to use my 13-inch MacBook Pro. So right now I can see things much better, and it's so much fun on video editing on a larger monitor. And it does release a bit of dopamine in my brain, so it makes me feel happy about it. Monitor is one of the things that I would advise anybody to purchase it, because I can see from my perspective that it has added a value to my life, and I definitely think that it would add a value to your life as well. So you should definitely purchase it, and especially me, as I'm coming from a 13-inch MacBook Pro, which is a very small monitor compared to this big ass, sounds very weird, but yeah, 27-inch, large 27-inch monitor. It has really increased my productivity. The second thing that has brought me happiness already in the first 3 months of this year is smart speaker. So this is Amazon Echo Dot, and so this has brought me happiness already in the first 3 months. And as you know, monitor speaker are very crap. So some monitor don't have monitor speaker, and some do, but they are totally crap. So they are not usable. You can hear things, but that's all. You can they are crap anyway. So that's why I had to purchase this smart speaker, and I purchased a smart speaker because I'm going to tell you in just a bit. Yeah. Okay. And so this has a wireless feature, so I can connect this smart speaker to my to my computer, and then just forget about it. I can just leave my speaker over here, or I can just leave it at the back over there. And yeah, that would play the sound. So I don't have to worry about any cabling or anything like that. I just need an AC, and that's all. that's done. So yeah, it's a good thing. Let me just get back. And another reason of why I bought this Amazon Echo Dot is because it has a feature called drop-in feature. And what this is, this allows you to drop in on your Echo device. So you can make free calls from your Echo device to another Echo device, for instance. Or if you have a phone with the Alexa app built in, you can make calls from your phone to this Echo device for free, which is a great feature. So for instance, if I'm outside and I need to ask something to my mom, for instance, a shopping list or something, then I can just drop into my Echo Dot in my room. And also I'm planning to purchase another Echo device, Echo Dot, for my grandparents, so I can leave one Echo Dot to their home, and I can make free phone call from my home, from my Echo device to their Echo device. And the audio is amazing. It has 4 microphones, which is great. So you can make great quality phone calls, and all they need is just Wi-Fi connection, internet connection in their home, and that's all. And they have it, so it's not a problem. So I can make free calls and I can save money. Another advantage of this drop-in feature is that it doesn't require you to manually accept the phone calls. So if you just say to make a phone calls to your Echo device, it will automatically make the phone calls without anybody to literally going there manually doing it or saying it to accept it. So it is a good thing. It's not ideal for privacy, but of course you can just disable it if you want to. And yeah guys, that's all for this video guys, and these were my 2 things that has brought me happiness already in the first 3 months. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.